Here we are, nearing the end of day 2 at our full gut kitchen remodel project, and we have now exposed what is behind the walls. And what we find behind the walls is old, outdated wiring. And since we have removed the soffit boxes and want to take the wall cabinet substantially to the ceiling, the crown molding will connect the space left to the ceiling after it's drywalled. But when we remove soffit boxes, we often find mechanicals were run through the soffits, either by necessity or way back when the mechanical subs were, it's all about speed, and they were just trying to get the mechanicals installed as quickly as possible. In this case, we found a lot of supply lines, domestic supply lines, and this house has hot water heat, so we found hot water heat lines that were run into the soffit boxes. You can see via the PEX that the water lines were rerouted out of the soffit boxes, but there's one remaining pipe that's actually, in this case, too difficult to move somewhere else, and that's the drain pipes for both bathrooms upstairs. Sometimes when the sewer pipe is in the soffit box, we can rework it and chase it into a wall cavity, but as you will see here, the pipe comes out in front of the window. So we have a cure for that. We know this can happen. So how we address this, to the right of the window where the wall cabinets will be, we actually cut the tops of the wall cabinet down, and then it exposes the pipe inside the wall cabinet, and then we cover that with cabinet wood, and you don't even know it's there. So how we address it over the window is we'll rebox that in, and I will get cabinet grade plywood and finish the same finish as the cabinets, and it'll look like it grew there, which you'll eventually see on the finished pictures or the video of the final project. So we have also taken out the center wall that separated the kitchen from what was the formal dining room. The electrician's going to come now and demo the wiring. We demolish all the wiring in the kitchen and create the proper dedicated circuits for not only the lighting circuit, but all the required appliance and countertop circuits as if it is new construction to meet current building code requirements. And then we also need to, and this will happen shortly, which is to provide a temporary wall to support the second floor so we can open up the exterior wall, make the opening wider, install a new header for the patio door that we're going to install there. So that is where we are at in the phase of the project.